For the definition of a geographical indication, we can just check here that geographical indication is in relation to goods. Already we have seen the types, like it is like goods of agricultural, natural, manufactured, as originating or manufactured in the territory of the country. Obviously, we have seen that definite territory, it is very important, the region is important, the locality is very important, and it is like about the quality, reputation, other characteristic of that particular good, and that are attributed because of that geographical origin. In cases where such goods are manufactured, one of the activities of either the production or processing or preparation. So, handicraft, or if it is a manufacture, so production, processing or preparation of that good. Okay. It should be in that particular region or a locality. Okay. So, this is what the